Okay, so at the 10th minute, we are going to jump right back into our workout. Now, we are going to work the chest, the triceps, and shoulders. We will need our 2 dumbbells and our yoga mat. All right, let's get ready for the push-ups. So, if you want to do modified push-ups, you lie down, hands below the shoulders, and then you extend the elbows, and then the non-modified. Core tight. Wonderful. Now take the dumbbells or the water bottle, lie flat on the back, hands straight above you, and then you flex the elbows slowly until they touch the ground, and then you explode up, but coming down, you come slowly. You don't let gravity to overpower you. Beautiful. Now the next one, knuckles are facing one another, elbows they stay there, and then you bend them, and then you extend the elbows, slowly coming down. So going up because you have the resistance. If you can go faster, it's no problem, but it's the coming down that you have to really control, because resisting gravity, it's also working out actually. Beautiful. Now the bottles of the dumbbells are in one line. You touch the ground with your elbows, and then you press up. This is called the dumbbell chest press. Beautiful. Let's stand up. I'm going to loosen up a little bit. Now we're going to triceps kick back. So you bend to the front, you push your chest to the front, not like this. Chest to the front, elbows close to the rib cage. Then you're just extending the elbow joint. Wonderful. Good. Now, stand upright. You alternately bring your hand to the front. A little bit above your shoulder joint. Beautiful. Now we're going to lateral raises. Notice my feet are at least shoulder width apart, and that increases the stability. If I would stand like this, then I'm not that stable, so it's easy to be swinging or to feel as if you're going to fall as you do the movement. Beautiful. Now elbows 90 degrees, and then like this. You bring the elbows to the same height as your shoulders, and you maintain the 90 degree in the elbows. Beautiful. Now maintain the 90 degrees. Now you just open up like this. You bring back to the front. We are still working the shoulders. We are strengthening the shoulder girdle. Good. Wonderful. We are going down to work the chest again. Chest press. Let's go. But now when we come up, we rotate and we finish in the parallel position where the palms are facing one another. So as we press up, we are rotating, and also as we go down, we are rotating until the dumbbells are in one line. Beautiful. So you keep your hands straight above you, and then you just bend the elbow joint, and then you straighten. So do as if the elbows are pinned where they are, that they cannot move. Beautiful. Now we are going to do some push-ups, modified. We are here, lie flat on the mat. You come up, and then you raise one hand to the front. So when you are raising the hand, make sure the core is tight. Beautiful. 2 more rounds. Now, let's stand up. Triceps kick back. We're almost there. Wonderful. Yes. Now let's finish with shoulders. So we raise to the side, we bring to the front, we bring them down, we bring them up, we bring to the side, like that until our timer ends. Ten seconds. Beautiful. There you have it. The next part is going to be just well done, guys. The next part is going to be just 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes for stretching. Beautiful. Let's hydrate. So hydration is important. Wonderful. Claude Joseph saying fire, fire. Let me send some claps. We are doing great, guys. Home Fit Fam, we are together. It's also tough for me. I'm also with you guys. I only consider a workout when it's challenging. That's when I feel like I did do a nice workout. The next part, we are going to stretch the upper body mainly, the back, the chest, and the shoulders. It's going to take 5 minutes. All right. So come into the bridge, and then we're going to start with the cat-cow stretch. So in the cat, you really push hands into the ground and you're trying to look at your navel. Beautiful. Now lie down, bring hands below your shoulders, push into the cobra. Go down slowly. Now put one hand on the ground, and then you turn to that side and you put one leg down. So keep the hands as straight as you can, and you will feel a good stretch in the shoulder and the chest. Now go to the other side, straighten the hand, and then lift your hip, and then rotate the leg over the straight leg, and just maintain the position. Beautiful. Now lie looking up, and then bend one leg 90 degrees, let it fall over the other, and then take this hand, put pressure on the leg so that you do as if you're pushing it towards the ground. Beautiful. Bring it back to the center, bend the other leg, and then you push it towards the ground. Beautiful. Let's stand up. Now put one hand behind and then pull at the elbow, wide stance, and then you bend so that you stretch also the obliques, the serratus. Come back to the center, the other hand. Beautiful. Put the weight of the hand on the neck. Go on the other side now, so that the last 20 seconds we keep them for the back of the neck. 10 more seconds on this side. Okay, both of your hands in the back of the head. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Namaste. If you want to be among the ambassadors of this community, all you have to do is to invite 1 or 2 people, and I will add you among the ambassadors of this channel. Thank you so much. Wonderful. So help this channel by sharing the workout with 1 or 2 people. It's always a pleasure having you guys. Barbara James, Winnie saying thanks Coach Remy. Thank you so much, and happy new week everybody. Remember, movement is the best gift to the body, best medicine without any side effect. So by working out, actually, you relieve your body from stress. And so you can work out, you can go out for a walk, you can do other physical activities such as dancing. Just do whichever activity you love doing, and make sure you're gifting yourself a good dose of movement. Barbara Jen saying, well done, home fit farm, lifting, strength, and then clapping. Indeed. Happy new week, and I'm going to end the live stream here, and I will see each one of you the next time. And if anybody has a question, you can always type it in the chat and I can cover it at the end. Thank you so much and have a lovely week. Richmond saying, great workout. Thanks, Coach Remy. Thank you also. You guys also motivate me, because I know you will be there to push me while I push you. This is our channel. This is our Home Fit family. Yes. Thank you so much, and bye everybody.